excuse the rough appearance, but today I have my husband here. He's gonna be doing my makeup today, and if you hear some little babbling, it's because somebody is here next to us. Say hi, guys. Say hello. So, like I said, he is gonna be doing my makeup today. So I have everything laid out for him, from my foundation, my setting spray, my sponge. Do you want to say something about the Astros? Because I know you're itching too.
I'm just saying.
We get it. The Astros are heading to the World Series.
Not yet.
Okay, Debbie Downer. Anyway, so I have everything laid out for him. So I'm going to go ahead and let's just get started. Do you know what you're doing first? I'm going to let you do you. You don't have to do anything in the way I do it. Just do you, boo. But like I said, don't waste my products because I don't have much left. Go.
Let's get started.
Okay. Show them the products you're gonna be using.
I'm gonna use the Too Faced chocolate bar. Okay. Voila.
I hate you. Show them the colors. What are you doing, sir? That is not for eyeshadow.
Okay.
Okay, let me just tell you this much.
All right.
From here to here is for eyes, and then from here to here is for the face.
Well, that was for the face.
You're gonna use this on my face?
Why not?
Like on what part of my face?
Don't worry about it.
I'm regretting this shit.
Alright guys, I'm gonna use the
Show them.
blueberry swirl.
Show them what color you just picked out. No,
Blueberry swirl. Right here. I'm not good at this.
Is that funny, Mama? Are we going for a smoky eye? Tell them what you just did.
So I just dipped.
No, you know what? Show them what you just did.
I just dipped it into some pink sugar.
He went from blue to pink. Look what he just did to my eyeshadow. Do y'all see that?
It was already like that.
Oh, no, it was not. I'm trying not to. I can't really see from the viewfinder because I don't have my glasses on or my contacts in. So I can't really see. So I'm going to show you guys the final reaction.
Other eye.
You're killing me with this blue, sir. This is good. You're starting with the eyes first. Did you see that I do that, or you just went for it?
No, I just went for it.
How much do you hate me? I just saw you just went in on that black
No,
eyeshadow.
I did not.
You know the goal's not to make me look ugly, right? The goal's to make me look like try your best to see how good you are.
This is best. This is what girls do.
Your best to see what your best is.
Cause Jack. Okay. All right. So.
Are you fucking kidding me? I can see that. I look like a damn panda.
You got powder all over the place.
Here, use a wipey.
Yeah, that didn't fucking work. Yeah, this is like an epic fucking fail.
I'm gonna help you out just this one part because I don't know what the fuck you thought you were doing or where you were going with this. Babe, you're fired already. Bless you, honey bunny. This is here. Aren't you glad you did the eyes first instead of the foundation? Okay, so clearly we're doing smoky eye, right? Is that what we're going for?
Sure.
Okay. What's next?
Where's your eyebrow pencil?
Right here. Be gentle with this. If If you push too hard, it probably will break, just so you know. Oh my god,
You're supposed to like trace out the outline or something?
His level of concentration. Oh my god. It's everything. You're not gonna do the bottom part?
It is the bottom.
Okay, okay. Let me just shut the hell up. You know what you're doing. Let the art master work. You're gonna use all my shit.
Looking there fabulous, babe. About to go on a hot date.
Are you taking me out like this? Oh, that should be our next video. We go out like this.
Sure.
I have to beg him to make this video with me. Let me give the baby something. I'm trying not to look. You want more, mommy? No? Oh, look hideous. She was like, what the hell is my mama doing? Are you done? Come on.
Sure. Alrighty then.
What's next? Are you done with the eyes or are you missing something? Some eyeliner? Are you gonna give me a wing? You gotta give me a wing eyeliner. Oh wait, let me close because I don't know what you be doing. Honey, that goes at the top.
Oops. My bad. See? I don't know.
Okay, you keep doing you, babe. Still going for the wing, huh?
Sure.
Anything's possible with makeup, right? Okay. So you're gonna do the top on the left, but the bottom on the right. Not gonna even it out at all.
How the fuck do I even that out? Okay.
Okay. Anything else for the eyes?
I think I'm pretty much good on my
What about my eyelashes?
They're fine.
I need mascara.
What is these? Lipsticks?
Yes, but we're not there yet. What is that?
Face powder. So you can bake.
But I don't have enough foundation on yet. I'm trying so hard not to look in the fucking viewfinder. Let me help you out, honey. The foundation goes first. Show them how much you're using.
I guess that's a good amount. I don't know. You got a dab.
Good job.
Do it where we're drunk. That would make it really interesting.
You gonna do it for me? You do it again?
Sure.
Okay.
When I'm drunk.
Okay.
I think that's
Some
good
concealer?
on some powder. Concealer.
Yeah.
So fucking where am I supposed to put it at?
My under eyes to highlight.
I think it's fine. There's a lot of highlight in there.
Okay.
What is this?
Mascara.
Nope. This.
Concealer.
I'm good. Okay. Start with the blush.
How about you contour first?
Alrighty then.
I'm helping you out. Really, we're cheating here. You gotta pick one of these brushes to contour. Good job.
I know how y'all ladies like to draw that line right here. Don't know why, but I guess so. You gotta put enough, that way you can see the line and leave it there and not blend it in. That's the whole
Is that what you're saying I do? I
thing.
blend my contours, sir. Don't play me.
I'm just saying there's a couple people out there.
Yeah, there is, but not me. So you better clarify that.
In the makeup world.
Come on, honey. Okay, now we gotta bake. Oh, my baby looks scared looking at me.
Now, what you want to do if you're going to bake, preheat your oven to 400 degrees.
You're gonna make a mess.
Yeah, this shit is already everywhere.
I use this. You can just step this into that. We're baking?
Baking some cookies, you know?
Are we really baking? Is this what you think is baking?
I guess. I know you're supposed to leave it on, but...
And this is what you see me do when I bake?
Honestly, I don't even know.
Okay.
Alrighty then. Okay. Now for the final touch, some lipstick.
You're not giving me no blush? I need some color.
You got color.
Do something bold. Do something.
Fine, I'll do red. Fine, you know what? I'm doing purple.
Show them. That's purple?
Purple, dark purple, whatever it is, dark brown.
Okay.
I don't know. It is purple. That's purple.
Oh, that tickles.
Okay, now even it out. And guys, are you ready to see the final look?
So just a question before I see myself.
Uh-huh.
Do I look anywhere near this when I do my makeup?
No.
Okay, let's see. Oh my god!
Don't I do a good job?
What the fuck? Were you? What is my eyebrow?
Wait till I'm drunk. That way you'll make it more better.
What's going on with this eyeliner? You did one part.
Well, I fucked up.
You did?
You told me you're supposed to go on top and I did the bottom. I didn't know.
And you couldn't even it out?
Well, I mean...
Why the fuck am I so pale? Honey. Yeah, she's even freaking scared. Oh my god, you guys. Hey, mommy. Does mommy look creepy? Oh, well. You ready to take me out?
No.
Anyways, thanks for doing the video with me. I finally convinced you. So you guys give this a thumbs up. Honey. Give it a thumbs up. Like it. Subscribe. And let me know if you guys want Nick and more videos. And yeah. Keep a lookout for more videos like this and other fun challenges. Leave me ideas of what you guys want to see. And... Oh. We gotta go because somebody's losing their mind. Oh, I know she looks so scared, you guys. She's like freaking out. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit that post notification bell so you can get a notification every time that we upload.
Are you fucking naked?
Yeah, I'm not posting you on here. You're naked, dude. Go change. Go put clothes on. So yeah, you guys, that is it. Bye, guys.